Boozhoo, Nimin Wayndam Omapi Ajayeg, Miss J and Dujinakaz. I am the Social Emotional Support Teacher here at the ECC. One of our curriculums that we do here is called the Social Emotional or the Second Step Curriculum. This curriculum is broken down, and some of you are probably familiar with it. It's broken down into 28 weeks. So the start of the school year, we are going to start the Second Step Curriculum. And what it entails is a card that is broken down into like 4 days, and the teacher will be doing day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 during the week and incorporating it through their day. So every Monday when the tribal newsletter comes out, you'll be getting a little video clip of me, and I'll be explaining what they're doing for the week. So for instance, the first week is welcoming children. You will get this sent home, and so you will have, this is the same card that they're going to be using at school, the picture. But this shows different ways on doing it at home, what they're learning at school. And it's really social coaching. So the first card is teaching them how to introduce themselves and welcoming in new children and welcoming back children that were the carryovers from the previous year. And then they just build on each other. So we're going to be doing this, and I am excited about it. So if you ever have any questions, please call me at school, 715-779-5030, extension 2548. Miigwech Bizendowieg, Gigawabamin.